Do you ever find yourself caught on a relentless treadmill where no matter what you achieve, it never quite feels like enough? You land the promotion or hit a personal milestone, but the celebration is fleeting. Almost immediately, the goalposts move, leaving a familiar sense of emptiness instead of the lasting fulfillment you crave. This constant chase, often fueled by the highlight reels we see online, can make us feel like we're perpetually falling short, forever striving for a destination that recedes with every step we take. Or perhaps you're all too familiar with that persistent inner critic. It's that nagging voice that replays your mistakes, magnifies your perceived flaws, and dismisses your strengths. Its volume can be deafening, often drowning out the quieter, more compassionate part of you that whispers words of encouragement. This inner voice, though it may feel like an enemy, often stems from a misguided attempt to protect us from failure. But in doing so, it keeps us small and afraid. What if we could find a different way? Building self-love and lasting confidence isn't about arrogance or an inflated ego. It's the opposite. It's about cultivating a quiet, deep, and steady foundation within yourself. Imagine the roots of an ancient tree gripping the earth, unseen but powerful. That is the kind of strength we are talking about. A grounding in your own intrinsic value, a core belief that you are worthy of kindness and respect simply because you exist, regardless of life's unpredictable storms. If any of this resonates, please know you are not alone and there is a gentle path forward. This isn't about an overnight transformation. Instead, today we'll explore 5 practical, compassionate ways you can begin to nurture that inner foundation. Think of them as small seeds of change. We'll delve into actionable steps and reflective prompts to help you cultivate genuine self-love and an unshakable sense of confidence that comes from within, starting right now, in this very moment. To mark the beginning of this commitment to yourself, I invite you to take the first simple step. Join our community by commenting "I am enough" below. Let this not just be a comment, but a personal declaration, a quiet promise you make to yourself that you are ready and willing to begin this beautiful journey of coming home to who you truly are. The words you repeat to yourself, whether consciously or not, are the architects of your reality. Think of your mind as a garden. Every thought is a seed. For many of us, without even realizing it, we've allowed seeds of doubt and criticism to be planted, often from past experiences or words spoken over us long ago. These seeds grow into weeds, creating an internal dialogue that has the power to limit you. But the beautiful truth is, you are the gardener. You can choose which seeds to water. By consciously choosing your words, you begin to tend to your inner world. Pulling the weeds and planting flowers, you begin to reclaim your power. Let's begin this simple yet profound practice. Start each morning, before the day's demands take hold. In these quiet first moments, your mind is most open and receptive, like fertile soil ready for new seeds. This practice is about leveraging your brain's incredible ability to change and adapt, a concept known as neuroplasticity. It's not about wishful thinking or ignoring challenges, it's about intentionally retraining your subconscious mind. Think about the last time you made a small mistake. Did your inner voice criticize you harshly? Imagine instead a voice that offers compassion. By starting your day with positive affirmations, you are gently replacing old, worn-out narratives of self-doubt with new, empowering truths that serve your highest good. You can use affirmations that feel true for you, or start with these. As you say them, try to truly feel their meaning. I am enough exactly as I am. This counters the persistent feeling that we must do more to be worthy. I'm worthy of love and respect. This reinforces your inherent value, independent of others' opinions. I believe in my ability to overcome challenges. This builds resilience and trust in yourself. I release the need for external validation. This brings the locus of control back to you. To make this even more personal, take a moment to reflect. What is one limiting belief you hold about yourself? Now, rephrase it into a positive, present tense affirmation. For example, if you believe I am not creative, your affirmation could be, my creativity flows freely. Now, let's anchor this practice together. Find a comfortable position and take a gentle, deep breath. Say your chosen affirmation out loud. Let the vibration of the words fill your space and resonate within your body. Feel the truth of it. To anchor this intention even more deeply, share it with our community by typing it in the comments below. Voicing it and writing it down makes the commitment to yourself more real. And when you share it, you join a chorus of voices choosing self-compassion, amplifying your intention and inspiring others on their own journey. Remember, consistency is the key that unlocks the power of this practice. A single affirmation is a drop of water, but a daily ritual can carve a new riverbed in your mind. Some days it will feel natural, other days it may feel like you're just going through the motions. That's okay. The act of showing up for yourself is what matters. To support you in making this a joyful and effortless daily habit, explore Innertune, a daily affirmation app designed to help reprogram the mind and strengthen positive habits. It's like a gentle guide in your pocket. You can find the link below. Stand in front of a mirror and look into your own eyes. Say something kind. I am proud of you. You are enough. It may feel awkward at first, but this simple practice rewires self-image over time. I see myself with love and kindness. Confidence grows when you notice your progress. Write down one thing you did well each day, no matter how small. Over time, these small wins add up and build unshakable self-trust. Every step forward makes me stronger. Self-love means protecting your energy. Confidence means saying no when something doesn't align. Boundaries aren't selfish. They are a declaration that your time, peace, and heart matter. I honor myself by honoring my boundaries. Confidence doesn't come from being flawless. It comes from knowing that imperfection is human. Give yourself permission to stumble, learn, and keep going. I am worthy exactly as I am. As we close, remember that building profound self-love and lasting confidence isn't a destination you arrive at overnight. It's a gentle, daily practice, a conscious choice to nurture the relationship with yourself. Think of it as tending to a garden within your soul, watering its roots with kindness and patiently pulling the weeds of self-doubt. There will be seasons of brilliant growth and times of quiet, and all of it is part of the beautiful natural cycle of becoming. We've explored 5 powerful pathways. First, the quiet strength of daily affirmations that rewire your inner dialogue, replacing the harsh critic with a voice of compassion. Then, the vulnerability of mirror work, daring to see your reflection with kindness and truly connect with the person staring back. We also discovered the joy of celebrating every win, no matter how small. Acknowledging your progress builds incredible momentum and reinforces your worth. We've also seen the courage to set firm boundaries, understanding they are not walls but loving fences that protect your energy and honor your needs. And finally, we found the liberating act of embracing imperfection, knowing it's not a collection of flaws but the unique, authentic brushstrokes that tell your incredible story. These are the marks of a life fully lived. These steps will transform the way you see yourself, but you don't need to master them all at once. This journey is about progress, not perfection. To avoid feeling overwhelmed, simply choose one, just one small manageable practice to begin with today. What feels most accessible and gentle for you right now? Let that single seed of intention take root. Nurture it and watch as it grows, strengthening your inner landscape. Soon that single sprout will make space for the next, and your inner garden will begin to flourish. So which of these steps will you start with? Share your choice in the comments below. Your journey is a beacon, and by sharing it, you create a space of support and might just inspire someone else to begin. You are worthy, you are capable, and your beautiful journey is just beginning. If you'd like a gentle companion on your journey, consider trying Innertune, a daily affirmation app designed to support your self-love practice. You'll find the link below if you'd like to explore it. Remember, every step you take is enough.